Hello. Today we're gonna make some cookies. So these are usually like walnut and white chocolate chip, but I'm gonna use some of these white chocolate Twix fingers and some dark chocolate chips instead as the filling, as the add-in. So I think that should be good. I didn't want to do the white chocolate Twix and white chocolate chips. I thought it might be too much. So I've got some dark chocolate chips instead of using both white chocolate. So let's get started. The oven is already heating up and I've lined my trays ready. And I've got all the ingredients out. It says 8 ounces of butter. Right. So 226 grams is 8 ounces, so either way. What am I doing? I need my sugar with that. So some of these measurements are cups, so I use the same size cup. It's supposed to be brown sugar, but I haven't got that much, so I use some caster sugar to make up the rest. So it's a 1 3/4 of a cup. That's one. Maybe I'll go like 1.5. Just don't need that. One. Yeah, about 1.5. Just cut down the sugar slightly. So I'm creaming my butter and the sugar together. Stage 1. Build up from there. These nights are changing, my heart is set on you. Right, it's getting there. Can you see that? Yeah. All the sugar sort of absorbs into the butter, it comes together. Alright. So, 2 eggs and an egg yolk, but I might just add all the egg because they're not that big. Probably stir one in at a time. It's quite heavy to mix, but it's getting there. So that's after I've added 1 egg so far. Let's add another one. Mixy. Well, you can see it change in consistency. And I'm just going to use the whole 3 eggs. Tiny bit of shell. Look good, I think. Yeah. You use the shell to get the shell. So now it's just the flour and a bit of vanilla essence and the baking powder and all what we're adding in. I'll show you what it looks like at each stage. So I'm going to add some vanilla. I haven't got a lot. There's a little bit more in this one. That's it. Splash of vanilla. I think it's like 3 teaspoons, but we've got a little bit we can add. So then it's 2.5 cups of flour. I've just got plain flour and I'll use the baking powder. We can use self-raising. You don't need to add the baking powder. Mix it. That's the first cup of flour. I'll stir 1 cup at a time because this will make quite a lot, so. Where we're at. So we've got 1/2 cup more to add flour wine. And I'll put the last half, I'll put the little baking powder in. Let's get a teaspoon to measure. So I'm going to use a teaspoon. A little bit of salt. So mix this well. Move some of this thing back one way. It's sort of come together like a dough now. Right, that's where we're at before we add any. Yeah, just slice them up. Yeah. No, I don't know. All the crumbs can go in as well. And then we've got a bag of dark chocolate chip. So I thought it would be nice because otherwise give a contrast. And then I've got to mix all that in well. Get it distributed. Because you want an even amount on sort of each cookie, if possible. I could have kept some back to decorate the top, or do it that way, but I think this will work out, just mixing it all in. Then we'll be ready to put our first lot in the oven. Alright. Let's get our tray. Depends how big you want to make them. So we use the spoon as a guide. That sort of size. So, usually put like 9 on each tray. Slightly more. Flatten them a little bit, but the cooking will do that job as well. Okay, so the first tray is ready for the oven. I'll come back when they're to show you when they're finished. Now you can see the first batch is cooked. So I'll try one and show you what they're like. A little bit naughty, but very nice. So give that a try. Thanks for watching and subscribe on the way out. Bye. Bye.